like to introduce our next speaker, who is a member at IACCB, Brother Talha Hawa. About him, he is an entrepreneur, been in a a family business for past 27 years, and having started 3 other businesses independently. He is an avid traveler, having had an opportunity to travel around the world and also a sports lover. He is a Bachelor in Commerce graduate, cost and work accountant. He runs a company called Fluidline Valve International Private Limited, taken over the international arm of the family business in 2012. Manufacturing industrial manufac- manufacturing industrial valve. Fluidline Valve is an certified ISO 9000 certified company with ISO 14000 HSE standard approval and major oil and gas valve suppliers in the JCC region. Fluidline Valve International is among the top 15 valve manufacturing in India. He also runs a company, Exacta Fluid Engineering Co. Private Limited, a niche multi-sport selector manifold system manufacturers in the world and only manufacturer in India. His third company is Global Arabian Valve, Saudi Arabia, set up in 2015. Over to Brother Talha Hawa.
Sorry, Zahir Hawa.
Zahir Hawa, sorry.
Assalamu alaikum to everybody. Thank you for joining us on a bright sunny Sunday morning, at least here in Mumbai. And thank you, Fatima, for your kind words. I'm here to just take you through my journey as part of a family business and family entrepreneur for the past 27 years, our experiences and how we have faced various challenges and come out of that. That is why we are still existing after over 30 plus years in our family business. Now, to start with, let me just explain what constitutes as a family business. Any entity, business entity where majority ownership or a management is in the hands of a family member and all major decisions are taken by members of the same family constitutes what a family business is. Now, when we think of a family business, we normally think of a small micro enterprise or our corner store and a small trading company. But that's not always the case. Yes, it is correct that most family businesses fall under the MSME sector. However, you will be surprised to know that as of 2018 September, there were 111 family businesses listed on our stock market with a market cap of almost $839 billion, contributing to 70% of GDP in India. This shows in India still family businesses are the model which most businesses run on. We're still not gone into the more professional businesses yet. Of course, current startups and incubations, you normally find that they are done on an individual or a non-family member partnership basis. So taking the cue from here, let me just share some of the statistics which I had on family businesses. Now, most 70% of family business, unfortunately, don't survive the first generation. Either they fail or they are sold. There are various reasons for that and various challenges which they face. Many of these challenges, Mr. Talha Saritwala, the previous panelist, has already highlighted in the challenges faced by the MSME. And these are similar to the challenges faced by a family business. However, it is also said as a generation rule that a family business which survives reaches the third generation usually has a much more longevity option here. So taking this as the background, let me take you through some of my companies and my experiences in the family business. For one, of course, was our industrial valves manufacturing business, which is, we are the third generation already in that business. Then in 2011, we started another business as part of the family role model, which was Exacta Fluid Engineering, which was a very specialized niche product manufacturing. We are the only people in India and among the 5 people manufacturing that product in the world. Now, we come to the point, what is, how and why family businesses succeed, or what is it that we did something right? I'm sure we must have done something right, or we must have had some luck which has allowed our business to move for over 30 years. Interesting fact over here. So I would start with the trust factor here. As a family business with close family members operating that, so for our case, it was my father, my brother, and myself. We had the trust factor. We had the general thinking in the company, the ideologies, the thought processes were the same, which helped us garner each other's strengths. Of course, again, the ability to take risks and losses. This is very, very critical. If anybody, no business, no individual can go through the life cycle without taking risks or without having an issue with losses. This is where a key challenge happens for family businesses or any new business which starts off. People are unable to take losses and risks, and they lose their focus. They lose their perseverance and relentlessness. Let me give you an example again of one of our own companies, Exacta. We started in 2011. We had another non-family member partner as well in the company. For the first, because it was a very technologically advanced product, we were competing only with 4 multinational, multi-billion-dollar companies. So it was always a challenge to be able to reach their levels. Financially, it was not possible. So we had to find other ways to be able to compete with these companies. Over the period, we realized for first 6 to 7 years, we never made any money in the company. But I believed in the product. We knew there's a market for that product, and we were focused and relentless. We persevered, we thought, rethought, we learned from our mistakes which happened. And inshallah, today, from this year onwards, we expect to start making our first profit. A lot of people don't go to this level. I have seen a lot of people come and wanting to make money from the year one. I'll tell you, when we prepared the business model, it was a very detailed business model for this company in 2011. And based on the business model, today I should have been a multi-billionaire because of that just one single company. But it's not the case. After all these years, we still not, we will be breaking even this year. I'll give you an example of Amazon. Amazon took 15 years to have the first quarter positive results. But they persevered. People backed their perseverance, their focus, their positive thinking. This is something which needs to be there in a family business, or for that matter, any business. I'll again take you to some more key points. Mr. Talabai also had mentioned people. People and human resources are a very, very critical aspect which family businesses often do not look into, because we hire from within the family. Alhamdulillah, we were lucky enough when my father, myself, and my brother, we got into my brother and myself rather, when we got into the business, automatically, based on our own abilities, we divided roles within us. So my father's core competency and his love was always accounting, finance primarily. And that is the aspect or the area which he took over. My brother was sales and the marketing side. He took over that aspect. My abilities were more and my love was more on the manufacturing side. So I took over that. This is very critical in family businesses. If we are unable to define and clearly define roles within ourselves, we cannot be jack of all trades. We have to have clear defined roles. Because of this clear defined role, we were able to process data, we were able to discuss and take further the manage the business for all these years and survive. Another key aspect is we invested in people. Again, our previous panelists also had stressed on this point. We have a multi-city, multi-country business here with our head office sitting in Mumbai, our manufacturing in Ahmedabad. We have a very key, large marketing office which operates out of New Delhi and out of UAE. In view of all this multinationality in the business, we had to have very senior people. We had to have qualified people into the business, and we have to delegate clearly to these people. That is something which we have been able to do. There are not many small and medium businesses in India who can boast of the fact that they have at least 3 foreign nationals working in their company for the past many years. The reason we had to have foreign nationals is because we couldn't find talent pool in India. And so you have to look at the correct people. People are very important in business, and many a times family businesses want to control every aspect of their own business, the small and the large. And in trying to do that, they lose focus on the macros. They lose focus on thinking beyond, thinking ahead. And that's where there is stagnation in businesses. And that is where the downfall of a business starts. So this is something which we did. I think we did correctly, and we are reaping benefits. We don't travel to the factory every day. We are there only for 4 or 5 days a month. But because of senior people managing production and certain marketing aspects, we are able to continue. Another key point which I felt that we thought we have done better is this. As my father's age processed and progressed, and he wanted to be more retired into the business, from the business formally retired. And so we had a very clear succession path in our business. Another very, very critical point where family businesses don't look at. In fact, if our ISO and API systems have us create a competent key people's matrix, we have a succession matrix in our company. So any key employee, if they are unable to be present or they leave, we know who in the company will take over their task. Similarly, after my father, we had split the verticals into domestic and international, so that we were able to progress this business further together. And that helps with the...
Assalamualaikum. Sorry to interfere. जरा उर्दू भी बोलिएगा इंशाल्लाह सब लोग, क्योंकि फैमिली की जब बात होती है तो लोग जो है उर्दू पसंद करेंगे. कोशिश करिएगा उर्दू अगर हो सका इंशाल्लाह.
So what I was saying is the family businesses, that is why we have a planning this on the family. This is why family business models succeed. But at the same time, कई challenges है family businesses को. काफी ये challenges already MSME में discuss हुई है. But हम अपनी बात करते हैं, so where we come from is, as we just discussed, who will take over the businesses, how the businesses have to be valued. और कई बार मैंने देखा है family businesses में, we want to do everything. We want to be part of every process, जो possible नहीं है. It has to be delegated. Another good thing हमने जो सीखी है हमारे business है, we develop vendors. We develop people. आज 40 years plus we are there in this business. I am very sure if we calculate our vendors or employees who have gone out and started the same business, almost एक 1000 crores की इंडस्ट्री बन गई है फ्रॉम ऑफ पीपल हु वर पार्ट ऑफ आवर बिजनेसेस, बट उन्होंने खुद का अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया है। दिस इज समथिंग।
आपका मतलब है कि आपके थ्रू से जो फैमिली का जो कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू हुआ, उसका जो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट हुआ और उनके बिजनेसेस जो आगे जाके ग्रो हुए, वो सबका वैल्यूएशन 1000 करोड़ है आज।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। काफी लोग जिन्होंने या तो हमारे वहां पहले काम करते थे या हमारे साथ काम करते थे, वो सारे बिजनेसेस भी इतने ग्रो हो गए हैं कि वी आर लुकिंग एट ऑलमोस्ट 1000 करोड़ एंटरप्राइज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट। हमारे वहाँ ये है कि भाई हमारे घर में आप शादी करोगे तो भी आप वाल्व बनाना शुरू कर दोगे। सो
तो आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट में एक ऐसी यूएसपी क्या है जो सारे लोगों को जोड़ के रखी है? एक ऐसी यूएसपी आपकी?
आई थिंक एज आई सेड, हम कोशिश करते हैं कि सब कुछ साथ लेके चलना है। अगर वो बंदा ग्रो नहीं होगा, हम नहीं होंगे ग्रो। अगर वो बंदा ग्रो होगा तो हमें आसानी होगी ग्रो होने की।
तो आपका मतलब है कि सबका साथ सबका विकास एक मंत्र है आपका?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इट हैज टू बी देयर। क्योंकि आप एम्प्लॉय को ट्रस्ट नहीं करोगे तो वो रह नहीं पाएगा। आप हर बार ये सोचोगे कि मेरा सब डेटा लेके चले जाएगा और खुद का शुरू करेगा, ये नेचुरल है। दिस हैपेंस एवरीवेयर एंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, और ये होता रहेगा। पीपल विल, और सिर्फ आपसे नहीं सीख सकता, वो कहीं से भी सीख सकता है। आज टुडे knowledge is available abundantly everywhere, especially with the internet. It is now available free practically everywhere. So this is very important. अपना आप सब कोशिश करोगे और शेयर नहीं करोगे अपना नॉलेज, तो आपके नीचे वाले या आपके साथ वाले बढ़ेंगे नहीं। वो नहीं बढ़ेंगे तो आप नहीं बढ़ पाओगे। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। और स्पेशली आजकल जो बिजनेस बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गए हैं, you need to have this sharing of knowledge. You need to be able to create your own channel partners, and that is very very critical.
एक सवाल है बीच में, सॉरी मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ। ये बताइएगा कि ये जो इमोशंस होते हैं फैमिलीज के, आपस के, भाई भाई बहनों के, वालिद के बच्चों के साथ,
जी
और वाइफ और चिल्ड्रंस के साथ, और बच्चों के साथ, बहनों के भाइयों के साथ, और बाद में भी रिश्तेदारी बढ़ती है दूसरी जनरेशन की। अगर समझो बहनों ही आ गया, आपके रिश्तेदार वहां पर भी जुड़ गए, तो ये जो खाला मामू सब मिलके जब बिजनेस में रहते हैं तो आपके ऊपर बहुत दबाव होता होगा ना कि आप सबको लेके चले। कैसे लेके चलते हो सबको?
गुड क्वेश्चन। डिफिकल्ट। एंड इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि इमोशन, कई बार बिजनेसेस में इमोशंस नहीं आए। रिश्तेदारी और दोस्ती एक अलग होता है। जब आप सुबह बिजनेस में आते हो, इट हैज टू बी वेरी प्रोफेशनल। हम वो प्रोफेशनलिज्म हमने लाई है अंदर। सो विच इज व्हाई वी आर एबल टू टेक ऑल दीज पीपल टुगेदर। आई हैव फ्रेंड्स विथ मी, आई हैव फैमिलीज वेयर आई वर्क टुगेदर, I have people who work together and became my friend. और आज की तारीख में मैं बताऊं, हमारे बिजनेस में there is still one person in the business जो मेरे से पहले ज्वाइन किया था मेरे फादर के साथ उस बिजनेस। So मैं 27 हूँ, he is probably more 30 years in our business. ऐसा है। So that is key. That is what something which we took from our father, कि ये important है। वो बंदा ग्रो होगा तो आप ग्रो हो सकोगे। And people is something, as we Talabhai also had
आपका ये कहने का मतलब है कि आपके ग्रोथ का एक सक्सेस का एक और रीजन ये है कि आप अपने से ज्यादा स्मार्ट पीपल अपने ग्रुप में रखते हो, अपने से इंटेलिजेंट, अपने से बेहतर।
बिल्कुल। आप और मैं, वी कैन नॉट नो एवरीथिंग, वी हैव टू हैव समबडी हु इज बेटर देन अस।
ये बहुत बड़ी कमी है हमारे कौम में कि हम हमारे से होशियार आदमी को नहीं पसंद करते हमारे बिजनेस में।
बिल्कुल। अपने वहाँ कई बार, अच्छा अपने एक सिर्फ वो नहीं है, अपने वहाँ कई बार हमने वो भी देखा है कि एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर भी नहीं करते, बिकॉज वी आर ऑलवेज अफ्रेड कि वो हमारा नॉलेज ले जाएगा। वी आर ऑलवेज अफ्रेड कि ये वो हमसे कुछ लेके चले जाएगा. होगा, ऐसा भी होगा, बट उससे ज्यादा शायद वी विल बेनिफिट. एंड एज यू जस्ट मेंशन, अपने से होशियार को रखना है, बिकॉज इफ वी डोंट लर्न फ्रॉम समबडी, it is pointless conversing with that gentleman if we are not able to learn from someone. So these are the very key aspects of family businesses which I have found. Now a generic aspect, a lot of times people keep telling me कि यार सेकंड जनरेशन नहीं आ रहा है हमारे बिजनेस में, उनको नहीं इंटरेस्ट है, उनको आना नहीं है, वो नहीं देखा है. इट इज फाइन. अपने कई बार बहुत इमोशनल रहते हैं. वी हैव टू फॉलो द वेस्टर्न मॉडल हियर कि बिजनेस में शायद अपना नेक्स्ट जनरेशन नहीं आएगा. वी हैव टू थिंक ऑन फॉर आवर सेल्फ. देयर कुड बी मेनी रीजन. अब आप एक छोटी सी स्टोर है आपकी, यू मे बी मेकिंग 50,000 रुपीज अ मंथ. अब वो आपके लड़के को आपने एजुकेट किया है इतना कि उसको पता है कि मैं उससे अच्छा और आसान तरीके से उससे ज्यादा कमा पाऊंगा. सो डोंट फोर्स हिम टू कम इनटू दैट बिजनेस. अच्छा, सेकेंडली, समटाइम्स योर चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड विथ व्हाट यू डू. लेट्स नॉट फोर्स देम, बिकॉज ये फोर्स करके आएंगे. इफ दे डोंट लव व्हाट दे डू, they will not be able to succeed. That's another key aspect which I have learned from our father, from us as well. We were very focused. We loved what we do, and we were relentless on that, or hard work. There is no alter.
आपको बचपन से ही आपके वालिद जो हैं आपके बिजनेस में इन्वॉल्व करते थे उनके?
बचपन से करते थे, बट साथ में हमने एजुकेशन भी लिया. तो आई एम अ कॉस्ट एंड वर्क अकाउंटेंट.
आप एजुकेशन भी किए, आपको इन्वॉल्व भी किया, दोनों साथ में हुआ?
I personally joined after finishing my education, but during my growth years, वो तो 10 साल के थे तब से ऑफिस जाते थे, ऊपर से नीचे पियून का काम हम करते थे. So we have seen the work. When I went to the factory, first thing, not having an engineering background, I spent time on the shop floor, which is another important aspect. कई बार लोग ये होता है ना कि भाई हमारा फादर का वो बिजनेस है, हम तो सीधे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर बन के आएंगे. ये दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. यू विल लूज, द बिजनेस विल लूज फोकस, यू विल लूज योर एम्प्लॉय. क्योंकि आप अगर आपके एम्प्लॉय से बेहतर नहीं हो पाओगे तो वो या तो छोड़ देंगे या आपको खा जाएंगे. एंड that's natural. I was stressing on another point was hard work, So we've seen our father put in that time, effort and energy into the business. हमने भी वही किया आगे. We put in a time, energy, we were focused. इसमें एक और मिसाल मैं देना चाहता हूँ. Very close friend of mine, two Olympics, pistol shooter, gone through 2 Olympics, world champion, Commonwealth champion, Asian champion, सारा कुछ. We were understanding कि ये किस तरह से करते हैं, and we need to follow that in our businesses because the model worked. They were relentless, they were focused, they were hard working. उनको आप रात को नींद से उठा के जगाओगे तो उनको सिर्फ शूटिंग के बारे में आइडिया था. आप सोचो 4 साल एक 1.5 घंटे की इवेंट के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, और उसमें अगर फेल हो गए फिर वापस 4 साल बाद मिलेगा ऑप्शन ओलंपिक्स के लिए. दे वर सो फोकस्ड. आप आज जो मीडिया में चल रहा है ना, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और ये वगैरह वगैरह, आज उनको पूछोगे उसके बारे में उनको नहीं पता होगा, बिकॉज दे आर सो फोकस्ड. दे ईट, लिव एंड वर्क देयर स्पॉट.
वाह, मतलब जो चीज, मतलब बिजनेस को आप अपने लिए मतलब इतना अंदर ले लीजिए कि आपका सोना, जागना, उठना सब कुछ एक बिजनेस हो जाए.
बिल्कुल. एंड आप जो करो, यू हैव टू लर्न फॉर दैट.
तो एक पैशन अंदर आ जाएगा, तो मतलब आपको सपने में भी वो मतलब आपका बिजनेस ही नजर आता हो, तो इसी वजह से आपका जो है वो पैशन जो है आपको आगे बढ़ाता है.
जी, वेरी ट्रू. एंड इफ यू वांट समबडी एल्स टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर बिजनेस, to be part of your business, तो अगर आप में ही पैशन नहीं दिखेगा, आप में ही वो जज्बा नहीं होगा, why would somebody come and invest in your business?
Very very valid point. आप ही के अंदर
you will never have somebody else
ताकि दूसरों को आप इम्प्रेस करें और इन्वेस्ट कर सकें वो लोग। तो ये बहुत बड़ी कमी है हमारे बिजनेसेस में। बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि मेरा बिजनेस में सारे काबिलियत है, सारे खासियत है, फिर भी मैं लोगों से इन्वेस्टमेंट ला नहीं पा रहा हूँ। ये एक सवाल है, सबके जहनों में रहता है। लेकिन एक चीज वो भूल जाते हैं कि उनके अंदर वो चीज इन्वेस्टर ने नहीं देखा कि वो इतना पैशनेटली उसको ड्राइव कर रहा है कि उसका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है वो नहीं आता है इन्वेस्टर का। सही है ना? तो ये हमको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। हर एक फैमिली बिजनेस में जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है कि पैशनेटली उसके ऊपर लगे रहे ताकि लोगों को इन्वेस्टर के नजर आए। आप भी एक इन्वेस्टर, आपने भी अपने स्टेक को बेचा था। आप ये सक्सेसफुल स्टेक आपका जो है बेचा हुआ स्टेक था, तो आपने कैसे अट्रैक्ट किया इन्वेस्टर?
बिल्कुल। So first, when we set up that company in Saudi Arabia, we prepared a business plan, a business model, and we approached Saudi Aramco to fund it. And we got almost a $2 million funding from Saudi Aramco for that business. उसके बाद 2 साल बाद we found another partner to sell it to, क्योंकि I could not handle multi-location, so many, we already had a factory in Ahmedabad, another plant in Saudi Arabia would have got too much. And then we had a lot of operations happening in Kuwait that time. So I had to sell that plant. But it was better off to sell it rather than, let the business die because your focus was not there. So the moment focus had gaya,
you took a decision on the basis of merit.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, there cannot be emotions here.
एक और ये सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी है कि हम लोग कोई चीज हमारी बनाते हैं बिजनेस में, तो हम छोड़ना नहीं चाहते या हमको बेचना नहीं चाहते, उसमें नुकसान उठाते रहते हैं, उसको चलाने की कोशिश करते हैं और उसमें बहुत सारा नुकसान हो जाता है। तो भले हमारे से वो मैनेज नहीं हो पा रहा है या उसकी जो है हमारे पास इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए उसके सोर्सेस नहीं है, उसके बावजूद भी हम खर्चदारी करके उसको चलाते रहते हैं। ये जो है ये सही नहीं है। एक बिजनेस हेल्थ के लिए आपको बेच देना चाहिए सही वक्त पे। इमोशनली आपको, या तो इमोशनल नहीं होने के बजाय प्रोफेशनली आपको उसको बिजनेस को डिटैच कर देना चाहिए। यही कहने का मतलब है आपका?
नो, नॉट नेसेसरीली। मैंने वो बिजनेस बेचा नॉट बिकॉज की इट वाज नॉट मेकिंग मनी। मैंने इसलिए बेचा क्योंकि मैं पहुंच नहीं पा रहा था वहां तक। तो माई फोकस, हाँ, मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे थे, फोकस उस पर नहीं था। और आई वाज सीइंग सम अदर बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी। इट इज बेटर टू लेट गो ऑफ दैट। नाउ एज यू जस्ट मेंशन्ड, इफ यू हैव द पैशन, इफ यू बिलीव इन द प्रोडक्ट, जैसा एग्जैक्टा जो हमारी कंपनी है, पहले 6 साल सिर्फ पैसा डाला है अंदर, 1 रुपया नहीं कमाया था। वी वर बैंकिंग ऑन Venezuela for sales and the country went bankrupt. We had sales in another country, but because we were fighting against multinational companies, it was getting very difficult. But we believed in the product. We believed in our ability to do better on that job. इसीलिए 7-8 साल चलाया है उसको before we started making first profit अभी। So ये दोनों, it goes both ways. एक तो या तो बंद कर, इफ नहीं मैनेज हो पाता है, यू नीड टू सेल एंड बंद कर दो। बट इफ यू बिलीव इन इट, परसिवियर, इंशाल्लाह यू विल गेट द रिवॉर्ड। तो अल्लाह ताला भी देखेगा कि आप कहाँ तक की मेहनत भी कर रहे हैं। हार्ड वर्क इज नीडेड। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो।
Amin bhai, I think since in the interest of time, we will take those pending questions in the Q&A. We still have two more speakers. So if Zahir bhai can conclude quickly, we can go on to the next speakers.
Okay. So
slides.
Yeah. So concluding the session, I would again go back to the key points which need to be taken from here. Is in family business is the trust. Any business, the ability to handle losses and risk. Without that, the greater the risk, the greater the profit. But you need to be able to take those risks. There are lot more I can have shared on this topic and our experiences, but to the paucity of time, let me close this by saying, inshallah, there is, if you work hard, if you believe in what you're doing, your family business, you should keep continuing it. Inshallah. Jazakallah khair to everybody. Thank you. Salam.